Alright guys, time to get started. We're about to get her done. I need to build a handicap ramp. I was going to go the other direction, but everything falls downhill that way, so it kind of makes no sense. We're going to go from that corner, do a 2-foot wide on a slope all the way down here to this point by the steps. Little doggy handicap ramp. Here we got 2 sheets of Marine Tech 3/4 inch plywood. We're going to go ahead and mark this and cut these in half down to 2 foot wide. That's what a ramp's going to be. Next thing we're going to do is build us a 2-foot 1.5 by 2-foot platform. Now we're going to come on the inside of this post, come over 2 foot, and remove these pickets out of our way. Remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pickets. Now we're going to put a platform in place. Now that we centered up our post, put a block in the bottom, we're going to go ahead and level our platforms. We're going to level in this corner, set our block here, set our post, and repeat the process. All right, now that we have our platform built, 2 foot by 1.5 2 foot 1.5. I went 2 foot 1.5 so we can get past the pickets going down through there. So that we're going to go from the top of the deck down to the ground, 29 foot 10.5 inches, and put a mark on the ground. Now we strung a line from there down to our ground point where we're going to make contact. We're going to take our square, put it right up against our beam here, and check with our line and see what our angle is. We're at 11-degree slope. So that's what we're going to cut our boards that meet here at 11 degrees. We're going to get the measurement from here to that point. We're going to divide that in half and set a pole so we can go ahead and run our bands in here. Now I've already set our center post, got it braced off both directions, sitting on our block, have our string line run from this point all the way to our end point. I've already determined that we're on 11-degree pitch. So what I did was measured from the top to my center post, right dead center, which was 160.25 inches. Cut that top on 11 degrees, the center on 11 degrees. I'm gonna go down here and pull down 5.5 inches and put a screw in there to hold the one end for me. And then we're gonna go ahead and set this top. Right here where our pole is, I didn't get another block to set a pole back that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a board from this pole to that pole, and then we're going to run a board underneath from this pole to that board, and that will allow us to catch our other raft or our other joist to sit on top of to go to that point. All right guys, we got our frame in. Come down here midway. Told you I was on a budget, limited lumber, so we set a pole here, ran a board from that pole to that pole to catch our center band And we've got it run all the way down. We just went ahead and let it hit the ground. So, see if I can get this zoomed out so you can see it. Now we're going to go ahead and start installing our plywood. After that, we'll figure out our handrails. All right, here we go, guys. We got the ramp built. I'm gonna have to regroup, figure out what I'm gonna do for the handrails. We'll give you a little walk up it. We're gonna go right up the side here to a platform where I removed the pickets. We're gonna go ahead and leave the rail. The dogs can get out of there. They can turn around, or they can walk right on down through there to the ground. So this is a whole lot better and a whole lot easier for them babies. I just got to get some rails up here, so I'm going to go ahead and call it done on this video and get together on the rails. And I'll either do a short, probably a short video of the finished product and show you guys the babies using it. But I'm certain this is going to make it a whole lot safer. If you look at those steps, the incline of those, and you look at this walkway, and it's just a flat surface, I think this is going to make life a lot easier for them babies, and I don't have to worry in the afternoons or during the day when I'm at work is when I'm going to fall down those steps. So thanks for watching for now, guys, and I'll get back to you here soon.